Hello everyone, welcome to my CX final project. The closet keeping days are over. Today I'm going to be sharing how Nuuly can use their users' sharing habits to streamline their rental process. So, what is Nuuly? At the most basic level, it's a monthly rental subscription for clothes. It's fairly new to the market as it was introduced and founded by parent company Urban in 2018. Essentially, it charges customers $98 a month, and in return those customers get 6 items of everyday yet designer clothes. Users sign up for the service, browse Nuuly's vast collection of clothing, choose 6 items, get those items shipped to their home, wear them for about a month, and then they get sent back in the same reusable box in which they came. As of May 2023, Nuuly has 150,000 subscribers, and it's experienced growth really quickly. But how can it be improved? I myself have been using Nuuly for just about 2 years and can definitely say that there are still some growing pains in the CX. But how do we figure out precisely what those pain points are? The answer is found in user mapping. By looking at the line graph in the middle of this chart of a user's experience with Nuuly, we can see exactly where a positive customer experience is being interrupted by negative touch points. By looking at the user map, we can see that there are 2 primary points of pain for a Nuuly user. One, that they are not able to search for clothes as specifically as they would like to, and this prevents them from finding new pieces that they haven't already discovered. The second is that although a user can organize their own closets into completely customizable categories called lists, they can't easily add other pieces or ideas to those lists because they can't see anyone else's lists. So, how do we solve these issues? The commonality between these 2 points of pain is that they involve a user getting stuck in an echo chamber, so to speak, of their own style preferences, and therefore both can be made better by leveraging personal insight of other users on the app to spark new inspiration and results. So let's look at how this actually plays out in the functioning of the app. First, in order to address the problem with searching, the Filters tab has now been upgraded to include a specific keywords category where users can type in specific parameters of what they're looking for and then be matched to clothes that are tagged with those keywords in a user's review of the item. Next, to address the pain point of not being able to see new ideas for specific closet lists, a new list page has been added to the app's browsing capabilities. Users can now scroll directly through lists rather than items and use the same updated search and keywords feature to find lists that match what they are looking for. All a user has to do to save a list is tap the new clothing icon tag in the corner, and then that list will now appear in their closet as being saved. Users can also go into their lists and easily switch between seeing lists that they have made and seeing lists that others have made. When viewing lists made by others, a Nuuly user can now also go directly to the list maker's profile and easily see lists that this person has made. So now they can find more lists from people whose style they like. So, let's get back to it. By implementing these changes, a Nuuly user now has a more continuously positive experience while browsing and selecting clothing for their rental and is not interrupted by touch points that leave them frustrated. The end result of these changes? A happier Nuuly customer and a better Nuuly experience.